A 2-meter statue of a god of destruction, mysterious energy, spikes hinting at other dimensions, and a machine powerful enough to create black holes. These are the 10 most unbelievably controversial discoveries from CERN. When CERN started up its Large Hadron Collider, also known as the LHC, whispers about creating tiny black holes spread like wildfire. These aren't the massive cosmic giants, but micro-black holes that could theoretically pop into existence for a split second. Some feared these mini black holes could grow and swallow Earth whole. Alarming, right? Scientists reassured the public, explaining that these micro-black holes, if formed, would evaporate almost instantly. Yet, conspiracy theorists weren't convinced and claimed CERN might be playing with dangerous forces beyond human understanding. Despite the assurances, the thought of black holes on Earth left many with chills. While researchers see it as a chance to peek into other dimensions, critics argue, what if CERN accidentally opens a Pandora's box? It's one of the most controversial aspects of CERN's experiments, raising questions about our universe's safety. Next up, let's explore the eerie particles that suggest even more mind-bending secrets, the 4D ghost particles. In a mind-bending discovery, CERN's experiments revealed the presence of 4D ghost particles, which seem to hint at the existence of extra dimensions beyond the 3 we know. These particles don't fit neatly into our understanding of physics, almost as if they belong to another realm. The idea of a 4th dimension opens the door to wild possibilities. Could other worlds or realities exist alongside our own? This groundbreaking find challenges everything we know about space, time, and the very fabric of the universe. Now let's dive into CERN's next mystery, ultra-rare particle decay. CERN's recent confirmation of ultra-rare particle decay has left scientists stunned. The B meson, a tiny particle, breaks down into 2 even smaller particles called muons and antimuons, but this process is so rare that it was once considered nearly impossible to observe. What makes it even more mind-blowing is that this decay challenges the standard model of particle physics, the very framework that explains how our universe works. It suggests there could be unknown forces or particles lurking in the shadows, hinting at secrets of the universe we haven't even imagined yet. Now, let's uncover how CERN's exotic particle discoveries are unraveling even more mysteries. CERN's scientists discovered 3 brand new particles that no one had ever seen before. These particles include a type of pentaquark and 2 tetraquarks. Pentaquarks and tetraquarks are made up of 5 and 4 quarks, which are tiny building blocks of matter. What's super exciting is that the new pentaquark contains a strange quark, something we've never seen in a pentaquark before. It's like finding a piece in a puzzle that doesn't usually fit. Even crazier, one of the new tetraquarks has a double electric charge. This is the first time scientists have seen a pair of tetraquarks with different charges. These discoveries are like opening a door to a whole new world of physics. They're not just weird, they're making scientists rethink how everything is put together. Next, let's jump into CERN's mysterious ideas about hidden portals and wormholes. There's been a lot of speculation about CERN's experiments potentially creating hidden portals and wormholes, sparking widespread theories online. While conspiracy theorists claim that CERN's Large Hadron Collider, LHC, is opening portals to other dimensions, CERN has officially stated that their work doesn't involve creating wormholes or portals. Instead, they're searching for answers about the universe's fundamental laws by recreating high-energy collisions similar to those occurring naturally in the atmosphere. Some scientists suggest that tiny black holes or extra dimensions might appear in these experiments, but any micro-black holes created would evaporate instantly, posing no threat to Earth. In reality, CERN's research into extra dimensions and gravitons could help us understand why gravity is weaker than other forces, not open interdimensional portals. Next, let's dive into how CERN's work is linked to the mysterious Mandela effect. The Mandela effect refers to people remembering events or details differently, leading some to believe that CERN's experiments have altered reality, causing shifts between parallel universes. For example, many insist they remember the Berenstain Bears, spelled as Berenstain Bears, or Nelson Mandela dying in prison in the 1980s. Conspiracy theories claim that CERN's Large Hadron Collider is somehow responsible for these reality shifts, with some even suggesting it's opening portals to alternate dimensions. However, there's no scientific evidence supporting this theory. CERN officials explained that while their experiments study fundamental particles and energies, they don't manipulate reality. Researchers at CERN understand why people are curious about the Mandela effect, but they emphasize that their work doesn't alter timelines or cause the phenomenon. Now let's move on to the next fascinating discovery. CERN's experiments have uncovered some truly mind-boggling energy spikes that have shocked scientists worldwide. During particle collisions inside the Large Hadron Collider, sudden bursts of unexplained energy appeared, sparking wild theories that CERN might be tapping into hidden dimensions. Some believe these anomalies could be signals from other universes or even evidence of dark matter. Although no one knows for sure, these strange spikes defy everything we thought we understood about physics, hinting that we might be closer to discovering entirely new realms. Now let's dive into CERN's most famous and controversial discovery. In 2012, CERN shocked the world by discovering the Higgs boson, nicknamed the God particle. This particle is so important because it explains how everything in the universe gets its mass. But the story gets even crazier. Recently, CERN revealed that the Higgs boson sometimes decays into particles that shouldn't even exist, like pairs of muons and even a Z boson with a photon. The most stunning part? These decays shouldn't happen according to our current understanding of physics, which means the Higgs boson might be hiding more secrets than we ever imagined. Some scientists believe it could be the key to understanding forces we haven't even discovered yet. And while some called it the God particle to emphasize its massive impact on science, others argue it's more like opening Pandora's box, revealing a universe far stranger than we could have ever imagined. Ready to dive even deeper into CERN's wild discoveries? Let's continue. CERN has a 2-meter-tall statue of Shiva, the Hindu god of destruction, dancing as Nataraja, right in its main courtyard. This statue, a gift from the Indian government, represents the cosmic dance of creation and destruction, just like the particles smashing together inside CERN's Large Hadron Collider. While CERN explains that this statue symbolizes the connection between modern science and ancient mythology, it's caused a lot of wild ideas to swirl around. Many people online believe this statue hints at something darker. They wonder why a place dedicated to advanced science has such a symbol of destruction right at its entrance. Some say it connects to CERN, trying to access forbidden knowledge, open portals, or even harness cosmic forces like Shiva's dance. These conspiracy theories make it sound like CERN might be performing some mysterious rituals or working with ancient powers. In truth, CERN's reason for having the statue is simple. It's meant to show the connection between how the universe works and how ancient cultures viewed the cosmos. The Shiva statue represents a blend of science and spirituality, but this hasn't stopped people from seeing it as something more mysterious. Next, let's see why some people think CERN's LHC could change physics forever. The Large Hadron Collider is the world's most powerful particle accelerator, and many believe it could lead to discoveries that will change everything we know about physics. Some even fear that CERN's experiments could go too far, leading to outcomes we're not ready for. One big fear is that the LHC could accidentally create a black hole that might swallow everything around it. Although CERN reassures us that any black holes made by the LHC would be microscopic and vanish instantly, the idea still scares many people. The thought of a black hole forming on Earth is enough to spark endless theories. Another worry is that the LHC might open portals to other dimensions or even alternate realities. This sounds like science fiction, but the fact that the LHC is exploring the unknown has people wondering if there's a chance it could accidentally tear open a hole in reality. Some even believe CERN's work could cause earthquakes or other strange effects. Beyond the fears of destruction, some physicists worry that the LHC might actually find nothing more than what we already know. After the discovery of the Higgs boson, known as the God particle, some think we might be nearing the end of what we can learn about physics. If the LHC doesn't reveal any more groundbreaking discoveries, it could mean that our understanding of physics has reached its limit. Despite these concerns, scientists believe that the LHC still has many mysteries to uncover. It might help us understand dark matter, antimatter, and the deepest secrets of the universe. While the LHC has sparked many fears, it also offers the exciting potential to unlock new knowledge about how our world works. CERN's controversial discoveries push the boundaries of science. Are we ready for the truths they might reveal? As always, thanks for watching, and be certain to like, comment, and subscribe for more of that history crack.